This video is part 2 of an 8-part series. Make sure to watch all of the videos in the series in the order shown. Open this cover. Place a waste collection container in the printer, then remove the lid. Position the container opening under the valve. Then open the valve. And wait for the waste fluid to drain into the container. When all of the fluid has drained or the container is full, close the valve. Then replace the lid. Waste liquid from the press is classified as industrial waste. Process the waste liquid in accordance with your local laws and regulations regarding disposal of industrial waste. Be sure to give any waste disposal contractors the safety data sheet. Close the cover. Then select Maintenance Tank. If all maintenance items in the list have check marks, select Switch Mode. Make sure to watch the other videos in the series.